How to Tuesday. This week, or today, we're going to work in watercolor. My substrate is going to be Fabriano hot press watercolor paper, 140 pound. My fave, I had a 9x12 sheet and I cut it in half and I taped it down with, I put it away, my Pro Artist tape. I'm also going to use my Prima complexion palette. Portrait palette, complexion palette. I use it for all kinds of stuff. I think I talked about that a few weeks ago. One of my faves. I've had this for years, and you can see it lasts forever and ever and ever and ever. That's the beauty. One of the many beauties of watercolor is the fact that it lasts a long, long time. I also grabbed my core watercolor paper or watercolors, and I have these are the colors. They're delicious. I'm thinking I'm going to use mostly these guys because I have an idea. I always have an idea, right? So that's that. And I'll keep that out. Those little tubes go a long, long way. I can't find space for this. No space. And then I grab my Daniel Smith. I'm thinking my quinacridone gold for sure. Maybe a little Naples yellow and then some indigo, sap green, and gold's green, or green gold, sorry, green gold. Yeah, I'm thinking. Mostly this palette, mostly that palette. Again, I have an idea, we'll see where it goes. I grabbed my, oh, that's not a watercolor brush. That's not a watercolor brush. That won't work. Except I don't know where my brush is. I might have to use that because my brushes have vanished. Again, it'll work. It's just not 100% watercolor brush. Okay, so I grabbed my Winsor Newton size 8, my Princeton Velvet Touch long round size 8. This one gets a nice really point on it. That's good. And then this is just a golden maple. It's like a generic brush from Amazon, like the little packs you can get from Amazon. And I grabbed my Graph Gear 1000 0.3, and I grabbed my Murata Black Warrior HB2, my Tombow Mono Zero eraser for the little bits, my Pentel Click eraser, my black and white General's charcoal pencil, and then a couple of fine, a Microline 0.2, 30.30 millimeter, and then just a thick Sharpie. Yeah. So I'm gonna do like a really up close portrait. It's gonna be loose because it's watercolor and I want it to be loose. I'm gonna move these out of the way so that I can move my paper. Yes, before I get started, if you like what you're seeing and you're enjoying How To Tuesdays, please like and subscribe and click the bell so that you get the notification that I have dropped the next video. Thank you so much for being here, so much for being a part of this journey and joining me every week and playing with me and watching. And have you accepted the challenge yet that I asked of you a few weeks ago? Have you? Put it in the comments and let me know if you've taken the leap and taken the challenge and had some fun and played, right? You don't need all the supplies. You don't need any of my supplies. You need a piece of paper and a pencil, a number 2 pencil, and you can get going. You can start moving. There are tons and tons of tutorials on YouTube, which I'm sure you're aware of, aside from mine. So if it's not one of mine that gets you going, just find something that'll get you going because it's so worth it, you guys. It's so very worth it. Okay? Make that promise to yourself. Also, I have a Patreon channel. Yeah! Patreon channel, and I would be so excited if you would come and take a look and see. If you're enjoying my How To Tuesdays and you would prefer or would like to see it in real time with instruction, then that's a perk of being a patron of mine, depending on what tier you sign up. So I would very much appreciate it if you would go take a peek and see, and then we can play some more together over there because I also have bonus videos for patrons as well, not just How To Tuesdays. I have lots of fun things in store for you guys. And that's it. All right, you guys, so let's get started. Let's play. Let's have some watercolor fun. And I'm going in. All right, let's get started.